For the Venda people of southern Africa, Lake Fundudzi is an important and sacred place steeped in legends and myths. Traditional customs and burial rituals are practiced often in the area, and its sacredness is so well established that even the South African government have been prevented to a certain degree from developing the area into a tourism hotspot. Lake Fundudzi is South Africa's only natural lake and is located in the Soutpansberg Mountains in Limpopo Province. The lake was created about 20,000 years ago when a massive landslide blocked the course of the Mutali River. However, according to Venda folklore, the lake was created when a leper passed through a village one day and requested food and shelter. The villagers refused and chased the leper out of the village. The leper got his revenge, however, by putting a curse on the people. The entire village vanished below the waters of the Mutali River, forming the lake we now see today. According to some witness accounts, one can still hear the sound of drums and the cries of the drowned people in the early light of dawn. There are many mythical creatures associated with Lake Fundudzi. It is rumored that a great white crocodile resides in the lake. It is said to protect the ancestral spirits who possess the lake. It is also believed that the ancestors' mood affects the color of the water. They also control the rain in the area. If you litter or throw anything into the lake, the ancestors will become very angry, and the next morning you will find your litter on the embankment. No sightings were made of any white crocodile. The lake does, however, contain a small population of normal crocodiles. Maybe a paler specimen does exist amongst this group, waiting to be discovered. Fundudzi's link to the ancestors is not limited to those who live in the lake, however. According to Venda belief, the supreme god Nwali resides in a cave in Thathe Vondo, a sacred forest near the lake. When Nwali needs to bathe, he travels to Fundudzi, and when this happens, the area experiences powerful lightning and thunder. Nwali is linked to another white mythical creature, the albino python god. There is a story about a widower so distraught about the passing of his wife that he walked into the lake and drowned himself. The spirits of the lake took pity on him and turned him into a great white snake. Every year, young Venda women from all over the kingdom gather at the lake to perform the domba dance in honor of the great python. Should you ever get the chance to visit Lake Fundudzi, there are certain protocols and rituals that need to be followed. For example, a visitor, on arriving at the lake, must turn their backs to the lake, bend down, and look through their legs while they pray. You may not swim in the lake, but you can throw a few strands of your hair into the water to gain a few blessings from the ancestors. And of course, do not litter. Good advice in general, but you do not want to anger the ancestors at Lake Fundudzi.